How to log in Netflix with new account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can log into Netflix with your new account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Netflix with your new account, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Netflix application first. And then once you've launched the Netflix application, there isn't any other way to sign in with new account unless you have to sign out of your current account over here. So what you need to do is, if you're logged into any of the other accounts, just tap on the profile icon and then just tap on the option called sign out and then tap on sign out again to confirm it. Now all you have to do is enter the account details of the account that you want to actually log in over here. So go ahead and then simply enter your email address, and then you can also enter your password and then just tap on the option called sign in right over there in order to successfully sign in to that specific account. And that's all it takes to log in with a new Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.